this particular batch is going to take me 2 or 3 days to get done. This is going to be kind of like the lavender patchouli natural soap that I made a few months ago, where I did the vertical mold and then I placed it in the middle of my handmade 2-loaf corrugated plastic mold. So we're going to be doing the vertical mold first. So this is actually going to be upright. I have 2 cold process evergreen trees in there that I had made previously, and I've had them setting aside to use for a future project, and now I have that future project. So I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be using Driftwood and Amber, and I don't remember how well this one behaves. It says it behaves well. The weird thing about this is the coloring. So it says it discolors to tan. When I made it last time, it discolors to tan if you put it through gel. If you don't, and it just goes at room temperature, then it's going to be this kind of weird orange color. It does fade some to more of a tan by like 6 to 8 weeks, but it's still more orange. So if you want that tan discoloration, you've got to put it through gel phase. I'm going to be using Activate Charcoal. This is Brambleberry. I have Evergreen Mica, again from Brambleberry, and then I have Mocha from Nurture Soap. And I'm actually going to be using the fragrance and everything. So these two, this one's going to be more of a green brown, and this one will be more of a toasty brown. This one on its own, it looks like a really nice bronze brown, but in soap it's really kind of a cool brown color. In here I'm going to be doing I'll probably pour it in here as a one pot wonder, and then slowly I'll slide it down here and then lift it up with the different colors. And then once I place it into the wider mold I'll have the 2 sides. We're doing what's called a swing swirl now. So it's almost like if you do a kaleidoscope pull, like in a vertical mold where you pull it up through that, but it's going to be in loaf mold. So I need to make some type of hanger tool that's going to, so usually hanger tool, it goes in like this way. But for this one, I'm going to have to stick the hanger tool in this way and then slide it down. So it'll have the design in it. Let me grab this. This is prep for another mold. Another design. So I'm meant to be putting this cardboard pieces in, because you're going to have on each loaf, each slice of soap is going to have 2 different colors on it. So here is my normal cut line, and I will pour one color on one side, one color on the next side, and then alternate them. Then I will take that hanger tool and slide it through. So hopefully, like say I do black here and green here, hopefully that black will come through to the green will come through to the black, and I'll have these kind of designs. I need to make, once I have this placed into the mold, I need to go ahead and cut some more pieces to do that. So like I said, it's going to take me 2 or 3 days. This probably doesn't make sense right now, but once I get there and get the colors done, I think it'll work really good and it's going to look really cool. So with this one, I'm going to actually do 5 colors. I have the Activate Charcoal, I have the green, I have the brown, then I'm going to do one that is no color but with fragrance, so it'll be kind of a tan or an orange depending on how warm this gets. And then the 5th color is going to be just plain batter, so no color, no fragrance. When I get to this point, when I have it in the bigger mold, I won't be able to do the one without the fragrance, because I need everything to be the same consistency. Because when I did, let's see, the Taiwan swirl, when we had loaf dividers, I had some unfragranced batter, and it was just a disaster, because even though the fragrance batter was really a good consistency, since I had some super fluid batter in there, it did not work. So with this kind of thing, you need to have everything the same consistency. So with this, again, using the normal, like just 1 loaf, so 2 ounces of the fragrance in that, and then depending on how well it behaves or what it does to me today, will kind of determine what fragrance, the strength that I will use on the side. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish getting my color set up, and we'll be ready to go.